Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, thank you for watching. If you are returning, thank you so much for coming back. So I'm going to show you guys today how I make my press-ons last. The older I get, I realize I don't have tolerance to sit in a nail shop anymore, so I found love using press-on nails right before the pandemic. So today we are going to go from these crusty, dry, boring fingers to classy and sassy. And I'll show you tips and tricks on how to make it last a few weeks and save yourself some money, basically. So some of the brands that I use are Static nails. So I mostly go for short to medium length. Could be almond shape, could be square, or coffin shaped nails. So this is one of the brands that I use. Some inexpensive ones are the Kiss brands. This I use for work mostly. This is my go-to. It goes with anything, any occasion. I also have the coffin style, medium length. Kiss has some really good ones, so I really stock up on the Kiss, especially when they have sale. When I feel like extra, I'll wear something like this or like this. I mean, there's so much options to choose from. It's non-stop. So if you want to see how I get my press-ons to last me, keep on watching. So as dry as my hands are looking, I just came out of the shower, which I think is the best time to do your nails, honestly. So my nails have a little bit of growth, and the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to use a nail clipper and I'm going to trim that excess away. And we're going to speed through this process. Okay, so now that the nails are trimmed, I'm just going to use a nail file and just file the little sharp edges. The reason why I choose to cut down my little new growth, let me just say this, I am not a nail technician. This is just a technique that works for me, so don't come for me in my comments. Anyway, I like to trim down the new growth because when you flip your fingers over, I hate to see that new growth, and sometimes stuff gets stuck all up in there and stuff like that. It looks horrible. So I like a clean finish. So I'm just gonna, now that I trimmed the new growth, I'm gonna use my nail file and just file the sharp edges. Now I'm gonna measure out the nails that I want to wear. Is 28 in a box. I'm just gonna measure out the size that fits my little itty bitty fingers, and I'm using the size real short. So it comes with 28 nails, like I said before, and this is the glue that it comes with. But this is not the glue we're going to be using today. You could use this. I even keep this in my pocketbook in case I may have a, one that pops off, which is very rare. However, this is a very good glue, but this is not the glue we'll be using today. As we go along further, I'll show you the one that I use. So it also comes with a little mini buffer and a cuticle pusher, or orange wood stick as they call it. Okay, so now we know that the size nails that we're gonna wear. I'm gonna use my electric nail file and just make the surface of my nails kind of rough, because the glue adheres better and it lasts longer. Just like that, just a little bit. I'm going to start prepping the nails by using 100% rubbing alcohol, and I'm going to use paper towels. I cut these up so I could use it individually. I don't like using one piece for all 10 fingers, because I feel like the oil that you're removing from one nail and you go on to the other nail, it's being deposited from that first nail onto the others, if that makes sense. And the goal is to dehydrate the nail as much as possible. So I have 100% rubbing alcohol in here, and I'm just going to use this on my nails, and we're going to start prepping the nails one at a time. And to further dehydrate my nails, which to me is a very important step, because if you go to the nail salon, you also realize that they also use this on your nails. It helps make the glue last longer. I'm gonna go ahead and dehydrate my nails, and I bought this off of Amazon. I think this is the reason why my press-ons last as long as they last, because I start incorporating this step into my routine. So it comes with the nail prep dehydrator and the acid-free primer. Now I'm only going to use this one today because I'm just using glue today. But if I were to use my hard gel, like if I'm going on vacation or something and I want this to last like beyond 2 weeks, I'll go ahead and use the solid nail glue, and this needs to be cured. So it's great with press-ons. You're going to dehydrate your nails first with this, then the acid-free primer, and then go ahead with your glue, and then you cure it. But we're not going to go through all that today. We're just using regular nail glue. So I'm only going to use the dehydrator today on my nails and proceed with the next step. I know it's looking horrible, but I promise that you would love the final results. Just trust the process. You're here because you trust me, okay? So I like to start off with my baby fingers first, because the thumbs apply the pressure. So we're going to do the thumbs last. And like I said, you could use the nail glue that comes in the package, the Kiss nail glue, whatever brand nails that you're using. But today I am going to use my static nail glue. I love this. This does not harm my nails, and I like the remover that comes with it. Like when I'm ready to take off my press-ons, I just put a few drops of this at the corners below that could seep below the nail, and it just pops right off, and my nails are damage free. So I really love this pair together. So this is a brush on gel. So I'm going to start off with my pinky nail and then work our way up to our thumbs. So here we go. I think I am going to use that orange lipstick since I don't have one near me, just to push back my cuticles a bit. to push it back a bit so it kind of folds over and looks seamless. So we're going to repeat the process. Same thing here. So press down, hold it in place, trying to avoid any bubbles. Take off the tab. And we're going to repeat this process throughout all the rest of the fingers and see what we come back with. So where the number tabs were, these little things, where they were, it left a sharp edge. So what we're going to do is go back with our emery board now and just file it, just to get rid of it, to get it nice and smooth. But we're not messing with the shape of the nail. I love the square shape. For me, it's very complementary to my little fingers. So I'm just trying to get rid of that little chip. And all you have to do really is go up and down, really, and it goes away. It kind of falls off without messing with the shape. See that? So this is what we look like, and to finish it off, now that our nails are on, they're nice and strong. I feel very secure with them. It doesn't feel like it's gonna pop off or anything. I could type, I could comb my hair, I could do dishes, I could do laundry, and I swear that these nails last me 2 weeks. If I wanted to last longer, with good care, it normally does. So to finish it off, I'm going to use my cuticle oil. Doesn't matter what brand that you use, just something to keep my cuticles nice and moist. And you rub that in. So your fingers wouldn't look dry and crispy like mine. So we've reached the end of the tutorial. Hopefully you were able to learn a tip or two from applying press-ons. As you could see, it's a nice salon finish. Focus. Who could tell that I didn't go to the salon? I mean, like, seriously. Classy, sassy. So if you want to see more like this, please give me a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next one. Love you guys. Bye.